If you see operation, maintenance and access requirements, logistic operation, maintenance philosophy and grading plan. Okay, these three things will be provided by client, okay, at the starting of the project. This will be the basis to decide the elevation of bottom tier of rack and decide the elevation and span of bridges. Okay, these two things are very critical and we decided at the very beginning of the project. Okay, if you see, if this kind of site plan is there and we have a study with us where we know which kind of crane will be moving and how much space will be required and how much space is available at site. Based on that, where are the roads and how, where we have to provide the bridges. Okay, what kind of maintenance equipment will be moving. Okay, this will be the basic criteria which will be available with us at the starting of the project, and this will be given by client always. Okay, based on that we can decide what kind of elevations for bridges we have to decide and what kind of elevation at bottom tier of the rack is required. Okay, the main purpose is to have minimum elevation of bottom tier. Okay, this will be decided by the kind of vehicle which will be used for maintenance. Okay, at some point we don't need any vehicle to move under the rack, so we can minimize it to 2 meter, 2.5 meter type. Okay, so this will be the basic thing which will be required, and these two things we can decide based on this information. Okay, so this will be model all safety axes. This information will be used to model, also to update the 3D model. We can always model all the safety exits, access ways, maintenance access as per project specification. Okay, so this kind of operation and maintenance requirement shall be covered by having this information with us. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.